So hello everyone. So this video will be talk about the sequence which is on IB past paper for AASL. Yeah, and for these questions, first they give us about considered arithmetics, which is U1, U2, and U3, yeah, so on. And then they gave us like Sn, which is Sn. We can just say the formula for the sum of first n term. For example, if we want to find the sum from U1 until U10, which is sum of first n term, we can just plug n equal n, plug n by 10 into it. So for first questions, they want us to find the sum of the first 5 terms, which is they want us to find the S of what? S5. Because first 5 term, it represents to what? U1 plus U2 until U5. So which is denoted by S5, and it's going to be equal to what? 5 squared plus 4 times 5. So S5 equal to 25 plus 20, which is 45. Okay, and for II, yeah, they give us S6 equal to 60, and they want us to find the U6. So in general, if you has Sn and minus Sn minus 1, it's gonna be Un. Okay, what is Sn and Sn minus 1? Sn minus 1 is the sum of the first n minus 1 terms, and Sn is the sum of first n terms. So for example, you can just, it's like S11 minus S10, it's gonna be U11. Okay, for ours, we want to find U6, right? So we want to find U6, we can find by using S, which is S6 minus S5 equal to U6. So here, S5 we already found, which is 45. So then we can just say S6 is 60, right? 60 minus 45 equal to U6. So then we got U6 equal to 25. Oh, I'm sorry, 15. That's all. Okay. So for the third questions, they want us to find what? They want us to find, you can screenshot it, okay? And I delete all of this to write another questions into it. And for B, they want us to find U1, okay? Find U1. So we already had U6, which is what? Which is equal to what? Which is equal to 15, okay? And we got S6, okay, we got S6 equal to 60. So here we can find U1 by using what? Because you know S6 is gonna be what? It's gonna be equal to 2 U1 plus U6, right? So then we can just say S6 equal to 3 U1 plus U6, and then U1 is gonna be what? 6 divided by 3 and minus U6. Okay, so it's gonna be U1 equal to 60 divided by 3 minus 15, which is 20 minus 15, and 5. U1 is 5. And for B, hence, otherwise find the expression Un. Okay, so we already had U1 and U6, and then they want to find Un. So here I can just say the sequences that we're doing right now, U1, U2, U3, and so on, is arithmetic sequence. So arithmetic sequence, the general terms or the formula for the general term is what? So it is Un equal to U1 plus n minus 1d. Okay, so here actually we don't have d, right? We don't have d. So what is d, by the way? So d here we can just find, because u6, okay, u6 equal u1 plus 5d. So then we can just say u6, no, I'm sorry, d equal to u6 minus u1 over 5, which is what? u6 is 15 minus 5 over 5, and d is gonna be 2. Get it? So here we got un equal to 5 plus n minus 1 times 2, which is 5 plus 2n minus 2, and it's gonna be 3 plus 2n. So un is equal to 3 plus 2n, okay? And for the next questions, they consider the v2 equal u1 and v4 equal u6. So here, let me delete all of this first. You can screenshot it. Okay. So v2 equal to u1, right? So that means equal 5. So then v2 equal 5, right? And v4 equal u6. That means we can just consider v4 equal 15. Find the possible value of the ratio r. In this case, they want us to find the r, which is what? So here, the sequence that has v is like geometric sequence. So the gaps between v2 and v4 are 2 gaps. So then we can just consider that means v4 equal to v2 times r square. Understand? And then we can just say r square equal to v4 over v2, and then r equal to plus or minus root v4 over v2. So then r equal what? Plus or minus root of, what is v4? 15, and v2 is 5, plus or minus root 3. Okay? So, and that's all. And then given that we 99 is less than 0, and they want us to find v5. So actually v99 equal what? We can just say then for e, okay, v99 equal to v2 times r to the power of 97. Okay, so then we can just say v99 less than 0 if what? If r equal negative root 3. Because of what? Because here we can just say r to the power of odd numbers, r to the power of odd numbers less than 0 if what? R less than 0. Or we can just say like this. Okay, since v2 is greater than 0, so v99 less than 0 if r97 less than 0. So then we can just r negative, which is we can just consider that mean r equal what? Negative root 3. And then we can find v5 because there are 2 r, but 1 r that complete the condition for v99 is negative root 3. So then we can just consider v5 equal to v2 times what? R to the power of 3, which is v2 is 5 times negative root 3 cubed. I can just say 5 times negative 3 root 3, so negative 15 root 3. Yeah, so that's all for these questions. Thank you.